Hi, my name is Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a raccoon keychain and the materials are felt, needle and thread, felting ice, scissors, hot glue and pins. These are the pattern pieces cut out of paper. And we're gonna pin these to the felt to cut each little piece. Okay, we cut the pieces out of felt. Next, we're gonna use the hot glue gun to glue the facial features in place, and then we're gonna sew them. We installed the felting ice and we sew the facial features on. We're gonna continue with the head. We're gonna sew around to form the head, and then we're gonna stuff it and close the gap. The same thing for the body. We're gonna sew around and then stuff it and close the gap. And when we're done, we're gonna attach the body to the head. Now we're gonna sew the arms and attach them to the body. We're gonna sew the tail around. Now it's time for the stripes on the tail and the paws, since they're a different color. So we're gonna use hot glue to glue them in place and then sew them around. Okay, we're gonna use hot glue to attach the tail to the body, and then we're gonna sew it in place to be secure for longer. Okay, and I decided to make a keychain out of this, and I'm gonna attach a key ring to it. So you simply sew it in the back of the head. And you're done. Please subscribe to my channel and please like my video. Click the notification button for more videos. Bye.